Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy summer inspired green eye look, which is so easy to create. I cannot wait to show you. Also, this eye look is gonna look amazing on green eyes. And I'm not even using eyeshadow primer today, which I think is the first time ever. So I went straight in with this product, which is from Huda Beauty. It's the Matte and Metals in a green color. I will put the name of the product I'm using in the description bar. It has a matte side, which I'm using right now, but it also has a shimmery side, which I'm gonna use later in this video. I used the matte side with the applicator itself, and then I went in with a Sigma Beauty E40 brush and I started blending out the product. I noticed that my brush kind of like picked up the product, so I decided to add a little bit more with the brush itself. I think from all the Huda Beauty Matte and Metals, I think this one was the hardest to work with. Now, I'm not sure if this is because I didn't use a eyeshadow primer underneath, or if it's just the product. I have no clue, but it was kind of hard to blend out. Well, it was actually not hard to blend out, but it just started to look a little bit more patchy. You can see like my skin kind of like peeking through. So I kind of think it's because I didn't use an eyeshadow primer, so I have to give this eyeshadow product another go to see if that's the reason why this happened. Regardless, I think the color of this product is really beautiful. I think this is a really nice color for summer. I actually really love wearing it. So now I'm going to use the same product, but this time I'm going to use the shimmer side, using the applicator of the product itself again and just applying it over the center of my eyelid. I think this combination looks so beautiful. I'm only using this product actually. I'm not going to use any other eyeshadows today. So yeah, I think this is one of the most easiest eye looks you can create, because you use one product as a base and then you use this product over the center of the eyelid, which is going to make it look more shimmery. If you don't have this product that I'm using today, you can also use an eyeshadow color in a similar color and then use a metallic shade in the center of the eyelid. This will kind of give you the same effect, only the difference is that this is a cream product, so it's gonna last more longer, which is amazing for if you want to make sure that your eyeshadow is gonna stay in place perfectly all day. However, if you use an eyeshadow primer underneath, you will get the same effect. So I applied my foundation off camera and my concealer as well, but I wanted to include it in the video to show you that I did apply a little bit of concealer underneath the outer end of the eye look to kind of make the line a little bit more sharper and clean it up. I just wanted to include that just so you know that I did that. So now I'm going to use the same product, this time the matte side again, using this for underneath the lower lash line. I applied it with the applicator and then I blended it out to make it look more soft and nicely blended out. I did kind of have a hard time with this because I think I used a lot of setting powder underneath the eyes, which made the cream blend out a bit harder. So definitely try to avoid that if you recreate this eye look. Now I'm using the Zoeva Karnat pencil for in the waterline, which is one of my favorite nude pencils. It's very inexpensive and it's gonna make your eyes look more bright. Then now I'm gonna curl the lashes because it's time for a mascara already. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite, which is by Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Roller Lash Mascara. My absolute favorite. I've been using this for so long. You guys have probably seen me using it so many times on my channel. It really lifts the lashes and it also makes my lower lashes super long. You will see that in a minute. But I am going to use fake lashes like I always do. Now, if you recreate this makeup look, you can keep it this way. This is how my end result looks with only mascara. But I just feel like lashes complement the eye look, so I definitely wanted to go in with those. I'm using lashes from the brand Tatti lashes. I will make sure to put the name in the description bar from the style that I'm using. And then I used the tweezer to kind of like press my own natural lashes really tight against the fake lashes, so you can't really see like my own natural lashes peeking through. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And let me know how you think this hair looks on me. I was actually wearing a wig. I have been dyeing my hair black for so long, but I actually think this color comes really close to my natural hair color. So let me know what you think. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care?